everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tanika Dion. It's Friday again, so it is First Impression Friday. Today we are going to be going over the CoverFx foundation, concealer, and powder, which I have all right here. Let's see, CoverFx Natural Finish Foundation. I am in the color G90. And the CoverFx Cream Concealer, I got the color G Medium Deep. And then the CoverFx Perfect Setting Powder in a Translucent Light. So that's what we will be reviewing today. And this is the look that I came up with for the rest of my look, which basically I used the Juvia's Place Zulu palette. And the colors I used was this one, this one, this one, and this one, just to come up with a really cute, fun look because it's very sunny out, and I thought that that went perfect. And the lashes and the liner were in my lashy box, which that should be out right now, so I will link that in the cards. And yeah, so alrighty, I don't want to make the video too long, so let's get into the video. So I will be right back with my completed look, and I will tell you about my thoughts on the foundation, concealer, and powder so far, and then I will also be doing a wear test. All right, everyone, I am back after a long day. I have had the makeup on for 7 hours now. Yeah, because I already checked it, 6:15. So I've had it on for 7 hours, and this is what it is looking like. Yeah, looks good. I'm a little shiny here, you know, but that's normal. That happens all the time. Just can take care of that with a little blotting paper or a little brush and wipe that right off. I mean, soak that right up. So yeah, that's nothing, but I am in for the night, so I don't really have to do anything. Yeah, even my lipstick is still on. The what is this, Maybelline Super Stay Ink. Yeah, even this is still on. I mean, you know, a little bit of coming off or whatever, but it's still, see, it's still on though. For the most part, it's still on. I mean, I only had a milkshake and some fries while I was out, so yeah, I didn't really eat, so yeah. But anyway, and of course it's settling a little bit under here and those little lines right there, but of course that happens with every concealer, no matter how good or how cheap. But as far as the concealer itself, it still looks good. It's still, under eyes are set, my face looks good still. Foundation is still dewy looking, and I still have my glow. Everything looks good. This foundation wore really well. I never wear my foundations for longer than I would say between 6 and 8 hours. That's probably tops. I mean, seriously, that's probably tops. Now, when I first started wearing makeup, now I used to wear it a lot longer because I was going out, staying out more than like maybe over people's houses, not like going out, but staying over people's houses and going out to dinner late, movies, things like that. Now, when I do go to movies and dinner at the evening, of course, you know, it's gonna be longer. But for the most part, yeah, only about 6-7 hours, maybe 8 tops is as long as I keep my foundations on nowadays. But yeah, everything is all good. So I'm going to go ahead and give the CoverFx concealer, foundation, and the powder a yay, yay, yay. Very nice. And honestly speaking, I think I may have found my new favorite, because that natural finish is bomb, y'all. It's bomb. Looks good even on my skin. It looks really, really good. And this eye look, yes, I hated it at first, but it's cool now. Okay, but anyway, thank you so much for watching the video today. If you haven't done so already, please hit that subscribe button, the notification bell, so you never miss an upload. Like and comment on my video. Thank you so much, and I really appreciate you. Bye.